Hi guys, this time we have another cassava from our rooftop garden. Yes guys, it's possible even on our rooftop. We can harvest free vegetables and root crops. Even if we plant on pots and planters just at our rooftop garden. Yes guys, it's possible at the rooftop. We can recycle containers and make them as our planters. So in a few months we can harvest those crops and the vegetables. If we keep on planting guys, we can save on our food cost because we will just harvest them from our garden. Even in our rooftop, we can produce free vegetables, guys. We also have chicken at the rooftop. Just last night, we were able to, just this morning, we were able to cook native chicken with coconut milk. This one guys, this is from our chicken at the rooftop mini poultry. We have already shared some of this. Sorry for the noise outside guys. There is a excavation done. Excavation is ongoing for the improvement of road network. Thank you for watching guys. Next time I'll post about the food that I have cooked from this cassava. Thank you again guys. Hope to inspire people that gardening is possible even on our rooftop. We can use our old containers as our planters. By then we can grow vegetables and root crops. And a few months from that we can harvest these root crops and other vegetables. Thank you for watching guys. Later I'll cook this cassava. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.